What's going on, everyone? So in today's video, we're back at Quarry Lake. Well, this is Rainbow Lake. Quarry Lake's on the other side. We're gonna try both again. I got my different setup this time. Oh shit, second tree. Got my ugly stick. I'll get a better video of it. But anyways, we're trying lures today with this monofilament. Try to get some bass, trout. They said they stocked rainbow trout and lightning trout. Never heard of that, but yeah, so I'm gonna try down here first and see if we can get on. We got our ugly stick, GX2 with our Abu Garcia X30, 8-pound mono. Hey, do you know what this is called? Huh? You know what this is called, the lure? It's like a spinning rooster tail. Got orange and green rooster tail. The lady said there's a lightning trout in here and rainbow. My nose is stuffed. But I've seen a few of the lightning. They're all white. So hopefully we can hook into one. Got the right setup this time. I'm not using 65-pound braid. Yeah, keep trying a few more lures. Just throwing lures today, so hopefully we hook in. All right, got this little dude. It's pretty cool.
I know, it's cool. I don't know where I got that, but I've never used that. I've had it forever.
Let's try it out.
Look there. That's what's going by in food trucks, huh? They take that golf stick.
Okay. There's one right there. Good size too. Here comes the sun. Hopefully the bite turns on, baby. But we'll see. See if we can see the action of the lure. Hopefully you guys can see that. Just a little swim tail. Alrighty. In the car? Huh. I want to see one of these fish, dude. Shit. I want to see one of these fish. Literally, you could just grab the net and net them, dude. God, they're teasing us, man.
They're just teasing us, man. They're like fucking koi in a pond.
And then they like go after my lure, but then they stop. Look at that. Literally, dude. Right there, dude. Come on, fishy fish. Well, hit it, baby. Nothing, dude. Right past. Look at that. Right there. Literally, dude. Oh my god. This sucks. You can see the fish, you can't catch the fish. Come on, come after my bait, baby. They see us and I'm like, oh, hell no. This fat boy gonna eat us, faux show. Look at this another one right here. Ooh, he's a chunky. He's a chunky. Oh, oh, that's a good cast, that's a good cast. That's a good cast. Come on, baby, please. Please, 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 please. Someone be hungry. Oh my gosh, dude. Look, my dad's getting National Geographic video right there. Quality video right there. Oh man. I've seen at least like 12 of these just swim right past us. Come on, baby. Come on. I googled a picture of them. Those things are so cool looking. All white, and then they got like a pink stripe through it. So cool. Just keep on keeping on, baby. That's all we can do. Oh man. We just gotta move spots.
Can't get back to that video now.
That's that lightning trout. Keep casting in front of these bad boys, but they just will not bite. Is it recording? Oh yeah, baby. All right, we're gonna just keep casting. I see some logs, so I'm gonna have to spin her pretty quick. I've seen a lot of lightning trout. Some cool looking fish, man. I'll tell you. If I could hook on one of those bad boys, that would be awesome. Yeah, 'cause they're like a albino trout. Really cool. They said, oh shit, speaking of the devils, there's 4 of them right there, dude. There's literally a school of them right there. Excuse my, oh my God. Come on. There's a fucking school of them right there, boy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Dang, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's 4 right there. Excuse my breathing. There's 4 right in front of me, man. Dude. There's literally, oh my God, this is so cool. I'm chasing it. Man, I can't believe it. They're just not biting it, dude. I gotta try something else. Dang, dude. There's literally, hopefully this is still recording. Yeah. They're right in front of me, dude. Oh my god. This is so cool. I just can't freaking catch them. At least snag one of them, dude. That's a good size one, dude. Come on, boy. He sees me, faux show. Come on, dude. Get off this bridge. He's going down there. He gone. Damn, dude. Alright, I think we're gonna switch up. We're gonna put this bad boy on. It's got like a little swim tail on it. Oh man, this is frustrating. Okay, I'm at a new spot. I'm blocked by the wind. Nice, baby. It's actually not the same lake. This is Quarry Lake on the other side. This is, I'm not sure what the lake is called. I'm gonna have to, I'll put the picture of it on here. But nobody's fishing over here, so I'm just gonna be quiet. My dad didn't want to come over here because he said, I want to go where the fish are. How do you know there's no fish in this whole lake, dude? Nobody's fishing over here. You know what I'm saying? Literally nobody's out here. Just trying to be quiet. So no one will spook, nothing. It's so nice over here. No wind. Alright, see if the GoPro will cooperate. GoPro kind of kills itself by freaking always turning off, turn back on. Got like 30%. Hopefully we can get a fish on before this bad boy dies, because I got the silver GoPro and I don't have like extra batteries I could put in it. So that'd be, ooh. Thought I felt something. I mean, this looks perfect for bass, dude. One of these days we'll get on a bass. Don't you wait, or don't you wait. Don't wait. Don't you worry. Sooner or later, hopefully sooner, we'll hook into a bass. Oh God, I can just imagine it now. It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be sweet. Oh, look at that freaking beauty of a cast. That is quite beautiful. I mean, there's gotta be fish, dude. I know I'm only fishing one small area of it, but there's gotta be some out here. At that other lake I go to, you could see like small little bluegill. Oh, I gotta, oh, come off. You can see like little bluegills and stuff, shad, going by. Here you don't see that. But probably just my last cast and go back over there. Watch, my dad has freaking 3 trout. Yeah, right. Very crazy. He's got 3 big old lightning trout. I really want to see one of those, dude. Oh my god. Those things are so cool looking. But yep. Just keep on keeping on. That's what we do. I'm gonna go over to the Quarry Lake side. I just gotta go up this path and it's literally right on the other side. But so that's where we are headed to. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I don't know why I look so super white right there. Anyhow, we didn't catch anything today. I didn't end up filming the last spot we went to because there wasn't really much to it. It was pretty much the same as the other spots, and obviously we didn't catch anything, or else I would have put it on the video. Anyhow, yeah, got skunked again out there. We probably won't be going out there for a while, but you know, it's just nice to get out there and try again with a new setup that my dad gave me. The Shakespeare, what was it, Ugly Stick? But I had the 8-pound mono on there, so you know, I was trying what I can do. You know, the best I can do. I had my lures, all different kinds of lures I had on there. I even tried some crankbaits, but nothing was biting. We seen all the fish coming through, nothing. But anyways, if you guys watched this far, thank you very much. I know a lot of you people don't really watch the whole video through, but you know what? It's all good, baby. Anyways, next week we'll be going probably saltwater fishing again, San Mateo, I'm guessing. So yeah, try to get out some sharks, stingrays if we can. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.